You probably have a notebook just like this one. Maybe it's tucked in a kitchen drawer or hiding in your purse. And inside it are some creative ideas that have been waiting for the right moment to come to life. Between school drop-offs, figuring out what's for dinner, and keeping the household running, your days are spoken for. By the time you get a quiet moment, your dreams stay trapped right where they are. You're really just looking for a peaceful life where you have plenty of time for your family, plus a little bit of room left over for your own creative projects. Reaching that balance doesn't require you to sacrifice sleep or work yourself to exhaustion. You simply need a helping hand to bridge the gap between your busy schedule and your ambition. Your ideas are already there. The only thing missing is a dedicated execution partner to help you get them onto the page. Think of a smart assistant. It behaves like an invisible, extra set of hands in your kitchen, moving with you to make the work lighter. Every creative project has heavy lifting, the organizing, outlining, and typing. Your assistant steps in to carry that tedious weight. With manual labor off your plate, your only job is providing the initial spark and making final decisions. Handing off the busy work makes the creative process feel lighter, fitting easily into the rhythm of your normal day. Consider Sarah. She is a busy mom who sat down at her laptop on a normal Tuesday afternoon with an idea for a children's book that had been on her mind for years. She didn't have to learn how to write code. She just spoke to her smart assistant the exact same way she would talk to a trusted friend. While she focused on the heart of the story, the AI handled the heavy lifting, outlining the chapters and researching the setting. By the time the school bus pulled up, Sarah had a full first draft ready for her final polish. She took a few scattered thoughts from her notebook and turned them into polished digital creations. By sundown, her idea had graduated from a scribble in a notebook to a file ready for the printer. Seeing her book finally exist in the real world gave Sarah an immense sense of pride and relief. Those creations can then be shared online, helping her generate extra income for her family's needs. Trying a new piece of technology can feel a bit daunting at first. That is exactly why you do it alongside a group of peers who are on the same path. Learning with other wonderful people turns the technical setup into a social afternoon where everyone solves problems and shares their wins together. Taking this step with a group means you are uplifted by the collective success of everyone in the room. The exact steps Sarah took are steps you can learn to take yourself, and you have a guide to show you the way. Alicia Lytle specializes in holding your hand and demystifying these tools for beginners. She strips away all the technical confusion and replaces it with clear, step-by-step guidance. When you have the right teacher, your current computer skills don't matter. You can bring your ideas to life regardless of where you're starting from. That training happens at the upcoming Virtual AI Business Summit, running from April 1st through the 3rd. During this live virtual event, Alicia will sit down and show you exactly how to use this smart assistant right from the comfort of your own home. She intentionally keeps the group small so that every single person receives personal attention. Because of that, there is a limit of just 500 spots available for this training. To claim one of those spots and join this group, click the link on your screen and get ready to bring your ideas to life. Taking this step is how you reclaim your time, build your dreams, and finally enjoy the peaceful life you deserve.